Welcome class. Again, we are back to our usual series, the 2025 UTME JAM Mathematics series. We want to treat one of the topics in the second section, polynomials. Polynomials. Polynomials are expressions in the power of a variable that are arranged in ascending or descending order to any degree that you so desire. So for instance, if I write expressions like 5x raised to the power 5 plus 3x raised to the power 4 plus x raised to the power 3 plus 2x raised to the power 2 plus 5x, maybe plus a constant, maybe 10. These expressions like this that the powers keep reducing, okay, of the variables, the powers of the variable keep reducing, are referred to as what? Polynomials. And as far as the JAM topic is concerned, we are looking into about 6 objectives. The first objective, we want to look at change of subject, that which we call in the WIEC scheme change of subject to formula, okay? Then we want to look at factors and remainders theorem, factorization of polynomials of the degree not exceeding 3, meaning that we want to factorize expressions of degrees not exceeding 3. So expressions that start from x raised to the power 3 like that, okay, not exceeding 3. We also look at roots of polynomials not exceeding the 3rd degrees, okay. Then we also look at simultaneous equations including one linear, one quadratic. Then the last part is graphics of polynomials not exceeding 3rd, or graphs of polynomials not exceeding the 3rd degree. Also, we must know that even though the polynomial is under the JAM scheme or the JAM topic for mathematics, we have 2 aspects of that polynomial that will still be useful for those of you that will be writing the West African Examination Council exam, WIEC, or even the NECO examinations. So the first aspect, the part A of this video is change of subject, which I will be taking right now. But before then, if you have not subscribed to my video, Math Guru with Bishop Prince, either on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, please do that. You can turn on the notification button so that immediately we upload these videos, you will be the first to get them. So let's come back to class. Now, what do we mean by change of subject? Generally, a formula is an arrangement or an array of mathematical expressions that shows what something and a variable represents. For instance, I can say that x represents 2p plus q. So x here is what we call the subject of this particular formula. Also, like the general formula to quadratic equation, if I can say x is equal to plus or minus b squared minus 4ac, okay, plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, now what it means is that this variable of x in the quadratic equation is equal to plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. That's the formula, because we have made x here the solid formula. We can also make a here the solid formula. We can also make b here the solid formula, depending on how it is. But these things, solving them has their own rules. The first rule we consider, the basic concept that we consider when we are treating subject of change of subject is: 1, we must remove the squares or the square roots if they are present in the given formula. 2, we should clear the fractions or clear the brackets if they exist. If there are some questions that have brackets in them, we should clear them off first if they exist. If necessary, factorize the term on each side of the equation. Then we can also collect in like terms together. Then what is our purpose? So that we can make that required subject the subject of formula. Then we can isolate the required subject, usually by dividing the common factors. This is how to go, the basic thing involved when we try to solve change of subject or formula. I will start by solving, giving us simple subject or formula to evaluate from before going to the complex ones. Please, it's quite simple, but they are all basic mathematical operations that we do in our everyday equations. Okay, so equation can be given. The equation can say P is equals to 5Q plus 4Z. Okay, 4Z for instance, 4Z. And the question will say make Q the subject, make Q the subject. So meaning that instead of P being equals to this, we'll make Q to be equals to what is here. Okay, and the first thing, just like the basic rules that I shared earlier, we first of all rearrange, let's rearrange such that what we are looking for, the subject of Q we are looking for, will be on our left hand side. So I can say that 5Q plus 4Z is equals to P. Now everything here are not with Q, so I say collect in like terms, meaning I want to move this plus Z, 4Z, I want to move it away, so I will say 5Z. All right, now 5Q, you know we are looking for our Q. 5Q will now be equals to P when this plus 4Z is moving to this side, becomes minus 4Z. Okay, so what do? Divide both sides by coefficient of Q. All right, so that will be 5Q divided by 5 is equals to P minus 4Z divided by 5. This cancels this, then my Q will equals to P minus 4Z all over 5. This is the answer. Or in JAM, they can present the answer as 1 all over 5 into bracket P minus 4Z. Thank you.